Hello, today I'll be teaching you how you can transfer your tone from Bybit to TONKEEPER. If you are finding it difficult to transfer your tone from Bybit to TONKEEPER, today now I will teach you how you can transfer your tone from Bybit to TONKEEPER. The first thing that you have to do is to go to your Bybit. If you open your Bybit, if you want to transfer your tone to TONKEEPER, or you don't have, let me assume that you don't have tone in your Bybit. If you want to get tone in your Bybit, you buy tone, then you must have USDT in your wallet before you can buy tone. Then you go to trade, see the interface of trade. So here now you can buy any coin that you want. You can trade any coin that you want. Let me say you want to buy tone with USDT. So what you do now is to come here, assuming that the thing is like this. What you will do now, assuming that the thing is like this, you select, click here, you type, you search for tone, this tone, then you click on it. Why the thing is written tone/USDT? Because you want to use USDT to buy the tone. But if you have USDC or euro to buy tone, you can make use of it to buy the tone. But since I'm using USDT, I will click on the first one. Then now here, if you want to buy at this price, then you can click market price. So if you don't want to buy at this price, you have specific limit that you want to buy, you place the limit. You can put 2850. Since we want to buy the tone now, there's no need of setting the limit. Let us go with market price. If you want to use all your USDT to buy, draw this thing to the end. If you have specific amount that you want to use, you can be checking it. You can watch here now. This is where you'll be checking the amount, or you can just put the USDT that you have. You have like 10, you just put it, then you click buy. So that is how to buy it. Then you go to your asset, you look for USDT. So you can see it in your unified trading. Then you see tone now. I have only $5, so I use $5 to buy the tone. The next thing that you have to do now is to go to your TONKEEPER. This is TONKEEPER. Then what you do now is to make sure that the TONKEEPER is updated. So you go to your, this tone, this USDT, this stake. This tone now, if you want to transfer to, you click here. You now click on tone. Then as you click on tone, you go to receive. You copy the address. You copy the address. You go back to your Bybit. So this is the Bybit now. But we want to withdraw tone here to TONKEEPER. So what we'll do now, because the time I bought the tone is in my unified trading. So I have to move it to funding wallet. Then I will go to transfer. So I have to transfer the tone from unified to funding so that I can be able to send it to TONKEEPER. Any coins that you want to send to another wallet, you have to shift the coin to funding. If you want to trade coin, you can send it to your unified trading. So that is how the thing works. So now if you watch here now, the funding is at the top while the unified is at downside. Since you want to transfer from unified to funding, we have to make it to come down. Funding will be down, then unified will be up. You can do it by clicking on this arrow here like this, or you can use your hand to change it here. You choose, then here you choose. So but it is easier to use the middle how to change it. You can change to funding to unify. They want to do unify to funding. So now then we select tone to search this tone. Tone is here. The next thing now, if you want to withdraw all, you can put max. I can now send it to my funding. So now if I go to my funding wallet now, I will see my tone. This is it here. So now I can now go to withdraw, then click on tone. This is where I will paste my address I copied in TONKEEPER. Then here now I will choose the network, which is tone. So here now I want to withdraw all. I will click mass. Here now, click mass. Then they will remove 0.22 as gas fee here. Also, I will go back to my TONKEEPER to check the address. The last digit is S49. First one is UQ. The last digit here now is S49. So I will go on and withdraw. So the thing is asking me to confirm it, then I confirm. So if you watch my last video, there is something I told you about funding and the funding password and Google Authenticator. So you can go back and watch the video. So here now I will put password, then go to my Google Authenticator. The thing has sent successfully. So let us go back to TONKEEPER. Let me refresh. So you can see my balance now. Before is 0.11, now is 1.82. So that is how to transfer your tone from Bybit to TONKEEPER. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe so that anytime I drop new video, you can get the notification. Thanks.